So I've had two concussions, and both were in lacrosse games. So I played girls lacrosse like all through high school and like when I was younger. And both of them were in high school games. The first one was probably the worst one. I was hit really hard in the head, and I honestly, after it happened, hadn't even realized it happened. I just felt kind of funny, and I had our like captain at the time come up to me and be like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "I think I'm fine." Just like, "You just got hit like really hard." Like everyone around me was kind of startled except for me. Like I hadn't really realized it all happened. And like when you go back and you see the playback, you see this girl's stick just totally ram like right into like the side of my head. So then, and then the second one, I actually got stepped on in a game, and so I had a concussion again. So those were both of my concussions, basically. And the first one was, I think, a lot rough because I just didn't really understand what was going on, and I was like really nervous because I went into like the emergency room and I got like I can't remember, I get them confused if it's the CAT scan or like an MRI. I can't remember which one it is. But it was like kind of just scary because I was just so out of it at that point that I like didn't really know what was going on. And so that's kind of how I got my concussions, both of them.